What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about PRIME XBT exchange. Tons of people have been asking me, how do you know what leverage or margin you're using? It's actually very simple, and I'm going to show you how in this video. We're also going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving 3 $500 bonuses away, and I'll tell you how in the video. It's super easy to win, and let's get into the video. All right, guys, so here it is, PRIME XBT. I'll go through a couple things real quick just to get you familiar with it. I do have another video that goes a little more in depth about how to do the charts and stuff, but I'm going to show you some of the cool features. One of them is you can trade Bitcoin, EOS, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, everything on one exchange. And you can have multiple trades in, longs and shorts. So you could be doing long-term trades, short-term trades all at the same time. Definitely my favorite exchange. They don't trade against you. But let's get into a couple more things. They also have some cool features, like up here, if you hit the charts, you can have multiple charts on one monitor, especially if you're on your laptop, you don't have other monitors around, whatever. You can trade multiple charts on here. You can have gold here, XRP over here, Bitcoin here, be trading everything, or have it all Bitcoin and just different time frames. Makes it really easy to trade with. Also, there's some other cool features too. I'm going to be showing you on regular trading, but you can have it on one click or double click trading too, especially for the people scalp trading and stuff like that. But let's take a look at what's going on. If you hit up here, you have a sell and a buy button. If you were to hit the sell, it opens up as a market. You don't have to sell as market order. You can change that to limit. And for those of you that don't know the difference between limit and market, let me show you. So if we went over here, we had this breakout over here. I'm actually in a trade as of right now making this video. We're up a little bit, but we'll see what happens. But I'll show you, if you right click your mouse, it'll have the buy and sell option. Let's say you wanted to long here. So you get in, and let's say you wanted to get in right now. That would be a market order. And how do you know what leverage or margin you're using? That is the big question people are asking. So let's take a look. If you look up here, and I set this account up just for this, PRIME XBT actually gave me a reward. Like a reward I'll be giving you. And if you want to enter to win, like I said, I'll be giving 3 $500 rewards away. And it's tradable rewards. You can keep everything you win off of it. So all you have to do, first thing, make sure you share the video. All you gotta do is share it, and then make sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and leave a comment below. Comment 500 or any other comment, but at least put 500 down there so you have a comment in there. And what I'm gonna do every 2 weeks, starting from today, so on the 27th of December will be the first random comment pick. I will put up a quick video, so make sure you smash that notification bell so you get notified when I post videos. But when I do that, I will pick a random comment with a random comment picker, and you'll have 24 hours to get a hold of me, and I'll give you a code to put the 500 in your account. Like I said, you can use the links down below to help start or to get started on a PRIME XBT account. You can use my promo code Savy50, and what you do with that is you go over to your account, go down to promo codes, and if you put in Savy50 here, you get 50% on top of whatever you deposit as a bonus. And if you put you can also use at the same time Savy25, and that'll get you 25% off of your trading fees. So there's a couple more reasons that they have a lot of cool offers on here. So anyways, now let's get into it. So there's 0.15 Bitcoin in here. If we pull up a calculator, how do you know what leverage you're using? So on this trade that I'm in, let me go back to that real quick. I'll open it up. I'm on 1.5 Bitcoin. So how did I figure that out? So what you do is you get your calculator out and put 0.15. That's what you have, 0.15 Bitcoin. You multiply it, let's say you want to do 10x leverage, multiply it by 10, and that's what you can trade. 1.5 Bitcoin, you'll be on 10 times leverage. And then what it does is it shows you up here the margin you use. So 0.015 margin. So you risked 280 bucks is what you could lose if you get liquidated. So it won't be like when you're playing on them other exchanges where you get liquidated, you lose all your money. It's not like that. And keep an eye on this. This is what margin you have available. So I have almost 90% of my margin still available, so I could still put in more trades. If I wanted to do 20 times leverage, I would put in that 0.15 and times 20, and I could trade 3 Bitcoin. Now let's say you want to do 100 times leverage. I don't advise that, by the way, but 0.15 times 100 would be, oops, I put times 10. Let's do that one more time. Times 100, 15 Bitcoin. That's obviously very risky. I don't suggest 100 times leverage for anybody. But anyways, that's how you do it. It's pretty simple. So let's take another example. If you had 0.025 Bitcoin and you wanted to go 10 times leverage, you would multiply that by 10 and you could trade 1/4 of a Bitcoin. Now, the different orders, the limit orders, I think I spoke about that a little bit, but let's go in and look at some of the orders. You could obviously do a limit order where you can set your order. Say you wanted long, you put it up top and your order doesn't get in until it hits that. And you can put in your stop loss and your take profit in at the exact same time. Obviously, if you wanted to get in right now, that would be a market order. That would be buying in now. And then we have down here the OCO, and what that is, and these can be all different too. You can make them all limit. You can make one stop, one a limit. But let's say you wanted to, and what that stands for is one cancels other. So how that works is, let's say you were going to play this triangle. You were going to play the break of the triangle and go long up here at 19.2. Or if it broke down at 18.6, you wanted to go short. You can put both those orders in on one cancels other. And what happens is if this one, if say it went up, it broke up and it caught that order, it would automatically knock out the other order. So you wouldn't have to worry about it. But just another cool feature. Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, share the video and give it a thumbs up, and that will get you entered to win one of the $500 giveaways. So thanks a lot for watching and have a great day. If you have any other questions, leave those below also, and I'm out of here. Thanks.